Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So today I will discuss or explain to you my chosen topic. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Dumantay Mika Joy and I'm from Betheled 1A. So today we will talk about Grit by Angela Duckworth. So before I explain it to you, let's watch this video.
In education, the one thing we know how to measure best is IQ. But what if doing well in school and life depends on much more than your ability to learn quickly and easily? One characteristic emerged as a significant predictor of success, and it wasn't social intelligence, it wasn't good looks, physical health, and it wasn't IQ. It was grit. Grit is passion and perseverance for very long-term goals. Grit is having stamina. Grit is sticking with your future, day in, day out, not just for the week, not just for the month, but for years, and working really hard to make that future a reality. Grit is living life like it's a marathon, not a sprint.
So just like what you heard, ayon nga kay Angela Duckworth, ang grit ay isang passion and perseverance of a person. Ito yung mga long-term goals natin sa buhay. Kasi ramdam nyo ba? Nawawalan tayo ng gana sa buhay. We feel the disappointment, failures, at kung ano-ano pang mga negative sa ating surroundings. Ngunit kailangan natin itong i-develop in order kung gusto mong may marating ka sa buhay. Ayon nga kay Angela Duckworth, ang grit ay importante kaysa sa talento mo. Ang grit ay importante kaysa sa innate abilities mo. So see, gaano kalaga yung grit na sinasabi ni Angela Duckworth. In education, hindi pala pwedeng puro talino ka lang. Hindi pwedeng puro ganda ka lang. Kailangan mo ng grit in order to succeed in life. Diba? Sabi nga ni Ma'am Marian, accept who you are. Know yourself. Diba? Sabi nga ni Socrates, man is essentially a soul. Know thyself. Kilalanin mo kung sino ka. Kilalanin mo kung ano ka. Kung gaano kalaki yung impact ni grit sa isang tao, sa human or sa akin. And that's it. The Grit by Angela Duckworth. So that's how we end. Once again, I'm Mika Joy Dumantay and I'm from Betheled 1A. Hello, and once again, mabuhay!